Hi everyone, in this video we'll be discussing a great feature that can be found inside Momentum Toolbox. This is the QuoteLinq, and we'll show you how to navigate it, why you should use it as an agency, and provide a full walkthrough of its features. This is perfect for agencies working with commercial lines, especially if you're preparing proposals close to binding. To start, head to the left navigation bar in MomentumAMP. Scroll down until you see MomentumAMP, then click Toolbox. This will open a new tab, and if this is your first time using the toolbox, it may prompt you to configure your settings. Follow the prompts until you see this page. Inside the toolbox, you'll see several powerful AI-powered applications designed to improve your agency's processes. For this video, we'll focus only on QuoteLinq, which can be found at the very bottom. Click Get Started. In this new tab, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard. Here, you'll see your total quote links, including personal lines, commercial lines, and the total number of quote links currently filled out. On the left navigation bar, you'll see the submitted applications, commercial and personal lines QuoteLinq, reports that's currently in development, and settings. Let's start by creating a QuoteLinq. Click the Create New QuoteLinq button and follow the prompts. You may choose the policy types you want to include in this QuoteLinq. Give it a name that fits your process. You can also set whether this QuoteLinq never expires. By default, this is set to yes, but you may define an expiration date if needed. You can customize how the insured or prospect sees your QuoteLinq. Using these options, you can choose to display the header. You can also require customers to authenticate using an OTP. For example, I want this particular customer to receive their OTP via this email. You also have the option to redirect the customer to your website or another website after they finish filling out the form. Review your form information, then click Save. Since I created a commercial lines QuoteLinq, let's click the Commercial Lines tab. Here, you'll see your favorited QuoteLinqs at the very top of the screen, followed by the full list of all created QuoteLinqs. At the top of the list, we can see the QuoteLinq I just created, and currently there are no submissions yet. You can manually create an application for a client by searching for their name. For example, I'll assign this to Abisfin. You'll then be prompted to fill out the application yourself. This is perfect if you already have the necessary information and want to assist your customers by filling out the application on their behalf. After completing the information, you'll have the option to email it to the client, save the application, or continue. Once saved, you'll see that an application has already been started by the agent, in this case, me. From here, you can email, copy, or edit the submission. Alternatively, and more commonly, if you'd like to send this to your client, click the Copy QuoteLinq button. This copies the URL that you can send to your client. When they open it, they'll see this screen. If you enabled OTP authentication, the client will receive a code. For example, I've just received mine here. The customer can now complete the form, and once finished, you'll see their submission appear directly under the QuoteLinq you created. You can also open an application that was partially completed by the client, continue filling it out where they left off, or send it back to them if there's missing information they still need to complete. This helps streamline the application process and reduces back and forth. Lastly, once the application is completed, you can send the data to your AMS. If you're using our commercial lines rater, you can also submit the application and receive quotes back. If you'd like to make changes to the QuoteLinq form, click the pencil icon. You can also delete a form or star to keep it pinned at the top. The same view applies to personal lines as well. Lastly, to customize your branding, you can upload your company logo in settings and customize your brand colors. Just make sure to click Save after making any changes. What do you think about the QuoteLinq? Please let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.